Hello and welcome back from House to Homes with Nedra. How my Goo-Goos doing today? In today's video, I will be making over these two nightstands that I purchased from Goodwill for $7. I have already taken off the hardware, so I'm going to give them a good cleaning and then I'm going to prime them. Alright, stay tuned. I'm just going to clean one for you on camera and then I'm going to do the other one off camera. So I'm going to be cleaning it with Murphy oil soap for wood, okay? So I have some of that in this warm water here. I'm not going to saturate it, I'm just going to wipe it out because I will be priming these. So I'm just going to give them a good wipe down. That's pretty nasty in there. And make sure anything that you buy, use from Goodwill or wherever, make sure you just give it a good cleaning. That was pretty dirty. And I'm not going to do any sanding on these. I'm just going to prime them and paint them. Because this is all natural wood here. So I just need to get it ready for some paint. Okay, I'm back. I'm done cleaning the cabinets, and this is what the water's looking like. They were pretty filthy, so I had to wash them twice. So I'm going to let this sit for 30 minutes and completely dry, and then I'm going to come back and prime them. So I'll see you shortly. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I had to come outside because this is an oil-based primer that I'll be using. This Kiehl's, this is an oil-based primer. So this is what I'm going to use to prime the nightstands with. So I'm going to do one, and then I'll do the other one off camera. So I'm going to start with the inside. Priming the inside first. I'm glad I did come outside because this is very strong. Very strong. Very, very strong. Once I'm done priming these, I'll be back, but I just want you to see that I had started to prime these. So I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I had to come inside, it's raining. So I done primed everything, so now I'm starting to paint the cabinets. This very blue paint here by Behr furniture paint. Paint and primer all in one. So I'm going to paint the first one, and then I'll do the second one off camera. But this is what the blue is looking like. It's very blue. It's like a navy blue. Ooh, that is real navy. That is a deep blue. Rich. A rich blue. But it's going to be pretty once it dries though. This is very pretty. I like this color. I'm glad I decided to go with this blue. I think once it gets on here, it's going to look really, really nice. Really nice. This is just the first coat. Oh yeah, that is really blue there. About as blue as this shirt I have on. I decided to do the inside first. It'll be easier, and then I'll just stand it up and do the rest. Whew, this paint is kind of strong too. Oh, that's gonna be real pretty. What color you think I should paint the hardware? Should I do a silver or should I paint it black? Let me know what you think once I'm done painting. Don't mind the first coat. This is just to get it on there. Just to get it started. Oh yeah, that is really pretty. Right there. This was an excellent color choice. A great color. And I think once I do the first coat, I might sand it down a little bit, depending on if I have any drippage that looks really bad and needs to be filed down some. Oh yeah, that's looking good right there. This is a pretty blue. This is called berry blue. I like it. A little bit out of my comfort zone, but I'm trying some new stuff. Trying something new. But this is what we're looking like so far. I'm going to flip it over in a minute and start the top. And then I'll do the rest off camera and I'll let you guys see what the first one looks like once I'm done painting it. But I think it's looking amazing. Just this one coat already. Oh yeah, that's gonna be pretty. Pretty, pretty. Like I said, don't mind the first coat. The second coat is going to be better. Just getting the paint on here for right now. I'll get these extra splatters off of here that I see. That's going to be really pretty. Pretty pretty. Okay, let me stand this up. Whew. Okay, I'm going to use the roller now. Get out here, little dog. Go. Go. Okay, I'll do the top. Then I'm going to finish the rest off camera. So I'm going to go with the grain. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, yeah. See how that deep blue? That's going to be amazing. That's beautiful. Okay, I'm going to stop here and I'll come back. Okay, the first coat is done. I'm going to let this dry for a few hours and then we're going to get this project finished. But this is what we're looking like so far, and the paint took very well. So I might just not need to put another coat, but right now it's looking real good. But once it dries, we'll see and go from there. But this is the progress. All right. Okay, I'm back. The side tables are dry, and this is what they're looking like. That's the first coat on there. And it's very navy is the color. And I've decided to put one more coat on here. And then I'm going to seal them, and then they'll be ready. But so far, I think they're looking very nice. Okay, so I'm going to finish painting these, and I'll check back. Okay, I'm back. I'm outside spray painting the knobs for the cabinet. I put the second coat of paint on, and everything is coming together real nice. So I will see you shortly with the finished product. All right. Okay, the two nightstands are dry and looking beautiful. I'm getting ready to put some sealing on there, some polyurethane to seal them, and I'll be back once I'm done. But they are really looking nice. All right. Okay, the nightstands are done, and they came out beautifully. I want to say thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a nice comment, and share this video. Bye now.